Welcome to channel Click to You Store. We are excited to introduce to you the Medicinal Garden Kit, a product that has been causing a real stir in the market. As we know that choosing the right product can be a challenging process, we have prepared a comprehensive review video to provide you with all the essential information about the Medicinal Garden Kit. However, before we dive into the product analysis, we would like to share some vital alerts to ensure that your experience with the Medicinal Garden Kit is as enjoyable as possible. Throughout the video, we will highlight some crucial points that you should keep in mind when using or purchasing the Medicinal Garden Kit. We would like to emphasize that the Medicinal Garden Kit is only sold on the official website. This is important to avoid scams or receiving counterfeit products. Don't worry, to make your purchase easier, we have left the link to the official website in the description below this video. Now, without further ado, let us begin the full review of the Medicinal Garden Kit. Get ready to discover why the Medicinal Garden Kit is such a smart choice for you. So, what is the Medicinal Garden Kit, and does it really work? The answer is yes, the Medicinal Garden Kit works, and after many laboratory tests, Dr. Nicole Apelian identified through her years of study as a biologist that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will provide a true pharmacy in your home. Ingredients such as chicory, yarrow, California poppy, marshmallow, chamomile, lavender, among others, are beautiful plants that bring beauty and fragrance to your garden, and can be transformed into antibiotics, anti-inflammatories, skin and hair supplements, and more, all in an easy and natural way. So, yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with the Medicinal Garden Kit, including numerous testimonials from customers who have used the Medicinal Garden Kit on the official website, and you can have these results too. Inside your Medicinal Garden Kit, you will find 10 smaller packages with each type of seed. In total, you will receive 2,409 high-quality seeds packed here in the USA. Even if you have never planted anything before, you will have no problem growing these 10 plants. You will find details on how to plant, cultivate, and harvest each one in the free medicinal guide that you will receive with your Medicinal Garden Kit. There is something important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test the Medicinal Garden Kit for 365 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they will give you your money back. So, feel safe to use the Medicinal Garden Kit, but make sure you are buying it from the official website to enjoy the benefits of the guarantee. Planting a medicinal herb garden will open up an exciting new chapter in your life as you discover the healing power of plants. However, if you don't want to plant now, for any reason, you can store the seeds for when you feel it's the right time. It's also important for you to know that the Medicinal Garden Kit has no side effects, as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to warn you to be careful with the website you are going to purchase the Medicinal Garden Kit from, and also, if you do buy the product, follow all the instructions from the free guide to get the best results. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be quite different from anyone else's because your body reacts in a unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that the Medicinal Garden Kit truly helps to improve your life in many other ways that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.